Guys, swing trading is one of the most popular trading methods. This type of trading is also called reversal trading. Essentially, our task is to find these swing patterns on the price chart and trade on the price reversal. But how do you correctly identify such a swing pattern and understand that the price will indeed reverse after it appears? A special technical indicator will help us with this, which will independently and automatically identify such swing patterns on the price chart and give you a trading signal about their occurrence, showing you which direction to trade. Let's go to my platform. I'll show you everything now. So guys, this is what the indicator looks like on the price chart. It identifies the occurrence of reversal patterns on the price chart. These are candlesticks with a long wick. Let's call them local highs and lows on the price chart. Then the indicator sets the level at which you need to place a pending stop order. In other words, we trade on the breakout of this level. Here, you should have placed a buy stop, and here, a sell stop. We place the stop loss in the opposite direction at the level of these letters, which indicate the formation of a reversal swing pattern. Then we wait for the price to reach the breakout level, and our order gets activated. As for the take profit level, this system does not specify at what distance you should place it. However, I recommend using the rule that the take profit size should be twice the size of the stop loss. Considering that the stop loss size is initially known to us, we can calculate what size take profit we need to set. Guys, you can download this indicator via the link in the description of this video. Download, test, and earn.